Today's recipe is for my wife, who is currently feeding our daughter. Not currently, but you know, we're in the process. And she can't have dairy or eggs or any of the fun stuff. So we're gonna make a fun dessert for you people who can't do dairy and don't want to do gluten and yeah. So hey baby, our daughter's doing this today too. So we're starting with 3 bananas. You can do 2 to 3 bananas that are very ripened. You start with 2 to 3 bananas that are very ripened, and then we put in 1 cup of rolled oats into there, and then 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, depending on how peanut buttery. I'm gonna do 2 because I know my wife is gonna want more peanut butter. Ain't that right, sweetie?
We're a peanut butter family.
Yeah. Okay, once you have that in there, that's all you need is those 3 ingredients. And get it nice and mixed up. All right, once you have that mixed up, we're going to start to make some spoonfuls. Try to make about 12 little mounds to go onto our parchment paper here. All right, once you have those nice and flattened, we're gonna put it in the oven. It's been preheated to 350. We just put it in there for 10 to 12 minutes, and you should be ready. All right, let's check on them. Whoa, those turned out really nice. Look at those. What do you think?
They look so tasty.
I feel like this actually, this is so simple. All right, y'all, so now we gotta let this cool down for about 5-ish minutes so it's completely cool. Go to our most important part. All right, while those are cooling down, we're gonna make our ice cream. We're gonna throw in 3 frozen bananas into our blender here. Also very simple. And then we're gonna put in 2 tablespoons of oat milk, or you can do almond milk. Remember, we're making this for our non-dairy mommies, or just people who don't do dairy, or are trying to roll something different. And then we're gonna put in 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and just a tiny little dash of vanilla extract. We're gonna blend that together. Wow, look at that. They came out really nice.
Ooh,
you see that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. All right, now that we have our ice cream ready, we're gonna bring our cookies back over that have cooled down. Take a look at those guys. Okay, so we wanna put 6 of them down, upside down, on whatever, this doesn't really matter. You can put it down on whatever kind of dish you want. It just has to be able to fit in your freezer. So we're gonna put it upside down, 6 of them. Probably get your bigger 6 if there's a little bit of size differentiation. And then we're gonna take our ice cream, start to plop them on each one. Whoa!
I'm very excited.
One there. Wow. So then once you have your ice cream on there, take the other 6, gently place them on top. Don't smush them too much, because we're going to be putting them back in the freezer to set. All right, y'all, take a look. Once you have those on there, we want to put it in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours so it can set in there. All right, y'all, so it's been a couple hours, and we are gonna let my wife try it and let us know how it is. Genuine reaction.
Okay. Looks pretty good.
Very homemade looking.
Yes. So cool. Mmm. I have sensitive teeth. That's really good. That tastes like a good, healthy ice cream sandwich that I would eat. Mmm. Look at all that. And this is so healthy for you. Anyone should eat this.
I know, I can't believe how simple it is. Anything else?
No. No, I'll just be here eating it.
Finally get to have an ice cream sandwich again. That's awesome.
Mmm.